If you want to get more traffic and rank your website in the top of Google, so you have to increase your website speed. So this is the most important topic about website speed increase. There have so many options to increase your website speed. There are so many paid options. So today I will show you how to make your website so much fast in an easy way, just a click. So let's go in a Chrome browser and now I will show you. This is my website. It's like this. From this, so you will can do this just from one click. So how you will do? So let's go to my website. It's my one of the websites I created. It's a e-commerce website. So we'll go to our dashboard, and then we click the plugin and add new plugin, and now we will search a plugin. Its name litespeedcache. I hope it's the right spelling. Yeah. So now we'll see light speed cache. So hit the install button. Now active, click the active. It's a free plugin. You don't need to pay. You don't need. You can increase your speed very quickly. You don't need to do anything. Just see there is a dashboard have a option light speed cache. Go second option. Present. And now you will see there are have so many options, 1 2 3 4 5 options. What do you want? Like my website is a e-commerce website and there are have so many product and so many things. If your website, if you are beginners, your website is just a basics website, is a landing page or like your portfolio, so you can select basic. My website have so many things, so many product, so many options, so many pictures. So I select this uh, aggressive. So I just click this apply button and then okay. So now you can see I don't need to do anything. We don't need to do anything. You just go and check. Now we will check what's the website. You see it in mobile 57. Go. I think in laptop or PC is have 71 like that. I don't know. So now we will see. Wow, in mobile 71, and in desktop, wow, just one click. I want to tell you something. It's there have you will see after 1 week later your website will be slower. So what you will do that time, just hover this icon and plug plug all, just hit the plug all, then it will again increase. Okay guys, and this is my short video. It's not so much so long video. So I did not show you this option. So it's so advanced option. Carefully, if you will do this without watching any video and without any knowledge, so your website will give so many bugs and so many errors. So if you want to know about all CDN, cache, then page optimization, image optimization, if you want to know about, also comment in this video. And if you enjoy this video and its work, so hit the like button. Thank you for watching.